Clicking on my video, so let's just dive directly into the main subject, which is installing TailwindCSS with Next.js. So what I did in my terminal is I went to my desktop. I then created a Next.js project by using this line. Okay, they asked me what to name it. I just named it YouTube. Doesn't really matter, but what really matters is this, because yes, when you confirm the first option, we will have Tailwind CSS inside our project. Yes, the problem, or the better thing to do, will be to install it manually, because when you choose the first option, the use recommend defaults, this comes with the oldest version of Tailwind CSS. So it's not a big deal, it's not the end of the world, but it will be better if we just use the latest version. So no, customize settings, yes, yes, no, no, no. We do want our routers, no alias, quick, please. Okay, success. Now it's time to install Tailwind CSS. Again, this will be in the description, but if you just want to search it manually, Tailwind CSS documentation, not the first, not the second, the third one, Next.js, and here we go. So we already did this and this. Now let's install Tailwind. Simply copy, go back to your terminal, good. Oh, and again, this is normal, so don't worry about it. Configure past CSS plugins. So copy this name, yes, so I forgot, we need to open our project. Good. At the root of your folder, just create this new file, name it this. Okay, so next thing will be to copy this, put it in here, save, don't forget. Nice. Now we need to import Tailwind CSS, of course, into our global CSS or whatever your CSS file is. Command A to express everything, Command S. Nice. And there we go. So you can now start using Tailwind CSS, the latest version, because we used this, we installed it manually. This is, again, this is not a big deal, but it will be good if you just do it this way. Again, Tailwind CSS is better than CSS for many reasons. The first one is because you can access your element directly and just make them whatever you want, instead of creating a dedicated file just for everything. I don't know for you, but personally I like it. It just went simple in your head. Thank you for... Oh, didn't know that. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you next time.